Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carmen. Welcome. In this video today, I'm going to share with you a special code in numerology that will help you to lose weight and to keep it off permanently. Now you might be thinking to yourself, how can you use numerology and numbers to do things such as lose weight? How is that possible? Well, the truth is everything in the universe has a mathematical equation and a mathematical code to it. So once you figure out what the number code is for each thing in the universe and you crack that code, then you could pretty much do anything. And the US government has been using numerology and numbers for years. They have not shared this information with people until just recently, and even now it's still very exclusive. Only certain people know about it, but they have been using this for years. And you can even find numerology codes in declassified documents from the CIA. So the United States government uses numerology and numerology codes, and they've known about it for years, and it's time that everybody else knows about it too. And if you don't believe me that these number codes work, check out a video I did on how to use these number codes to take pain from your body away instantly. Check out the comments to that video. Every single comment is from someone who says that it worked for them. And there are so many comments of people saying the same thing. It worked, I can't believe it worked. So I'm gonna give you what this code is right now. But I want you to remember that when it comes to weight loss, weight is a little bit different than pain. Because when you're using one of these number codes to take pain away, you're going to notice it instantly because the pain is there and it's an instant thing, right? If you use the code, you will see that it works because it happens instantly. Weight loss is a little bit different than removing pain because it doesn't happen instantly. It's going to take a little bit more time than when you're removing pain from your body. But just know that it is working and have trust and faith that it is working. These codes work for so many people and that it's working for you. You have to believe that for it to work. And the more people that use these codes, the more the code becomes charged and it becomes more powerful. So by you using this code, you are adding to the powerfulness of this code's power, and you are adding to its strength and its ability to actually help people to do what it's supposed to do. So I'm going to give you two codes right now. The first code is going to be for your overall weight loss in general, and the second code is a code that you're going to use to help take away your appetite every time that you feel hungry. So the first code is 3122778. So I want you to write down this number, and I want you to include the spaces that are in between the numbers because those are important. And I want you to take that number and I want you to visualize your body in your mind, visualize your overall body or any specific area of your body that you want to lose weight in, okay? For some people, it could be their whole entire body, but for others, it's just maybe a certain area that you want to lose weight in. And I want you to visualize that part, and I want you to say the code 3122778, either out loud or in your mind. Then after that, I want you to take that number and write it down on a piece of paper, and I want you to keep that code in your pocket or somewhere close to your body. But I want you to try to carry that code with you as much as you possibly can. And that's really going to help to activate this code within you and help your body to lose as much weight as it possibly can. And every time you find yourself criticizing your body or criticizing the way you look, or if you start worrying about your weight, I want you to say that code 3122778, either out loud or in your mind while you're visualizing your body. So replace that old habit of criticizing yourself with this new habit of thinking about and saying that code. Now, if you would like a way to control your appetite, if there are times when you start feeling hungry and you know that it's uncontrollable and you're going to end up eating everything in sight, or you're going to eat something that you know you shouldn't because you're starting to have those cravings, then you can also say the code 3587225. Now, this is a different code that you're going to use for your appetite. And you can use this if you want in those situations and those times when you are starting to feel really hungry and you want a way to control this. It's kind of like an appetite suppressant. So let's break these codes down really quickly just to see exactly why they work. And if you look at the first code for weight loss, 3 and 1 reduces to a 4, the 22 remains master number 22, and 778 reduces to a 22. Master number 22 represents rebuilding something and restructuring it. And it has a very similar energy to the number 4. If you add the two 2s together, you get a number 4. So all of these numbers here represent rebuilding and restructuring something. And then if you add all of them together, it reduces to a number 3. And one of the things that 3 represents in numerology is communication. 3 represents other things as well, but one of the main things it represents is communication. So it's kind of like you're sending this message to your body that I need you to restructure yourself and to rebuild yourself in this new way, which in this situation would be weight loss. So it's like you're sending that message to your body that you want it to rebuild itself in a way that helps you to lose weight. If you have any questions or if you have any comments, definitely let me know in the comments below. Let me know if it worked for you and leave your comments below because they also help add to the power of the code as well. So I hope that you like this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with other people. If you want to book a reading with me so that we can go into your chart and we can go specifically into what kind of codes might be helpful for you, then you can check out that information. I'll put a link to it below in the description box. And I would love to have you subscribe and to join the family. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today. I love you guys. I'm sending you light and love, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.